Are you tired of your mix sounding like crap? After you mix it, you go to the car and it still sound like crap? Well, bring your big ass down here to Ron P Media. I got a vocal preset for you.
Watch how you step, watch how you step, watch how you step, watch how you step.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy Ron P. Appreciate y'all tuning back into the channel. So I'm here to help today. A lot of people is still having trouble mixing their music, and we're not professionals, right? We just want to make music, and we're making music from home nowadays, and we're not able to go to these big studios, and we just want to learn and grow, right? You came to the right place. So I have an easy vocal preset, volume 2, that I have, and it is free. The link will be in the description. All you got to do is drag and drop, and it's going to sound good. Now, I don't have a master preset, but I'm working on one, all right? But if you do have FL Studio, they do have AI mastering and other little templates that you can get that's going to help you, with your mastering. But I am working on a master preset, so that will be out soon, and it'll be for free. All I ask is that y'all subscribe to this channel if you do decide to go get the vocal preset. And if you want to hear what the vocal preset sound like, I got a demonstration right here. Now, what you got to realize is when you're using a vocal preset, also, even though you may drag and drop the vocal preset on the track, you still have to do leveling. You still have to make sure that your levels is right. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to play a song that I'm working on right now. It's not done, but this is just the drag and drop vocal preset, the easy, clean vocal preset. I don't know if I said that right the first time, but it's the easy, clean vocal preset. Volume 2. I have volume 1. The links will be in the description, but here's a demonstration.
Yeah, yo, you could never lose when you dealing with a winner. Rolling with some goons and we pulling up in sprinters. He looking like food, so we take him out to dinner. And if I say it's cool, then them dudes quick to, pull up on his ass. Play me like a rapper, you get more than an autograph. Been getting money, I got more than I ought to have. Play with me, that chopper see through him like a sonogram. Damn, where the G's at? Game on lock, fuck a door, where the keys at? Police at the door, I'm acting slow, I don't need that. It's a cartel, if it's beef, where the team at? Where the team at? NBA, hit them with the rocket, no T-Mac.
That was it. That's all I did was just drag and drop. All stock plugins. Did I mention that? I probably didn't mention that. It's all stock plugins. So if you want this preset, the link will be in the description. I have volume 1 and I have volume 2. I'm not going to lie. Volume 2 is a little bit better. Both of them still work. You can tweak them and you may like volume 1, but this is volume 2. Both of them will be in the description. The link is there. They're both free. So go ahead, get those. I will be putting out a master preset very soon, so make sure y'all subscribe to this channel so you ain't got to run back and forth in the house to the car to keep making these changes. This vocal preset will do just fine. Again, you just have to level your vocals, level the beat, and that's it. And just remember, you're not alone. All right, here on Ron P Media, I got you. All right, subscribe to the channel. Peace.
Been getting money, I got more than I ought to have. Play with me, that chopper see through him like a sonogram.